No?
Tama lang.
Tangkad ka lang. Di ba karamihan sa mga tangkad malalaki yung kamay? Ikaw hindi.
Bakit si Arn malaki kamay niyan? Maliit lang.
Yun nga sabi ko. Yes. Tulad ni Jewel, malaki siya pero maliit yung mga kamay.
Bakit si Arn?
Mga daliri pala. Angry Bird, tama lang.
Ito si JR. Karen.
Always reaching for the rising star to guide me forward and shine me home out here on my own. When I'm done and weak, I close my eyes so I can breathe. Baby, it's the strong
Oo nga daw eh.
to me. Help me through. Help me to you. Until the morning sun appears. Making light all my fears. Dry tears I'll never show. I'll be on my own. But when I'm down and feeling blue, I close my eyes so I can breathe. Baby, please come me.
Ay, tulog kayo ni JR.
Help me through. Help me to you. Sometimes I wonder where I've been. Who am I? Do I think I may not win, but I could be wrong.
Naiihi ka ba, Arn? Uwi ako.